We have a massive 35-inch tire mounted securely to the bed of our Ranger 1500. How did we do it? Check it out. With our Elite bed rack for the 1500, we now have a spare tire option. We can fit all the way up to a full-size 35-inch tire. Y'all know these Braven Berserkers run pretty big, so this Braven is probably running closer to a 36, but we can adjust all the way up to a 35-inch tire here, and down to some other tires as well. So if you're running a 30, 31, 32, we've got you covered there as well. So get your tire out from lying around in the bed, securely mounted here, still maximizes a lot of your storage space and leaves a lot of room up top and on the sides for tool mounts. Get organized and check it out, thumperfab.com.